proven step-by-step formula dramatically speeds up your WordPress website. You will be learning from a WordPress expert. Discover how to add that Google-loving page speed with zero-cost tools. Most people who try to create a WordPress website give up. Let me say it more clearly, 9 out of 10 WordPress websites never get completed. A lot of these sites were started by people who never even made their first post. Where do you stand in that equation? If you've failed to create a WordPress website of your own or you're thinking of doing so, pay close attention to the following. When you get these brand new, up-to-date, how to speed up WordPress website tutorial training videos, you'll discover the fastest and easiest way to learn and master how to speed up your WordPress website. These shortcut strategies take you by the hand and lead you through the learning process of dramatically speeding up your WordPress website step by step. Just follow along with our How to Speed Up WordPress Website tutorial training videos, and your WordPress website will be rocketing into your visitor's browser in no time. You see, the problem most people face is a lack of actionable instruction. Look no more, your answers are right here in our How to Speed Up WordPress Website tutorial training videos. It doesn't matter if you are technically challenged. With these step-by-step How to Speed Up WordPress Website tutorial training videos, simply watch over my shoulder as I show you 5, and all free, different speed testing tools and why you should use them. The before and after speed test for each issue we address, and all the steps used to make those improvements. Why you should not try for a perfect score on these speed testing tools, which is the most important performance optimization step to take, and just how easy it is when you know how. You will find out which is my favorite WordPress site speed testing tool and why. And much more. I'm going to give you a true no-nonsense, complete blueprint that literally anybody, no matter the experience or skill level, can understand and use to speed the load time of your WordPress website. This is as close to a total beginner proof. How to speed up WordPress website tutorial training videos you will ever find. All you have to do is push play, then watch and do what I do. And I'm going to give you the best time-saving shortcuts that you will not see anywhere else. Some WordPress gurus want you to believe it takes a lot of time to speed up a WordPress website on your own. There's no need to pay these so-called gurus hundreds or thousands of dollars for what you can do yourself. Trust me, you can. But I'm here to tell you it doesn't take much time at all. I'm so sure of it, and I'm going to guarantee it. Now you can have access to this entire set of easy to follow, do this, then do that, step-by-step how to speed up WordPress website tutorial training videos today. These extremely revealing videos cover everything you will need to make your WordPress website lightning fast. You only have a couple of seconds before that website visitor leaves a slow-loading website. Don't let that website be yours. Don't let your inexperience or lack of knowledge hold you back. The time to make your web presence known is now. And these How to Speed Up WordPress Website tutorial training videos are some of the best videos ever produced to get you started fast. These How to Speed Up WordPress Website tutorial training videos are simple, unique, and easy to follow. Each one created with you in mind. These videos reveal some of the best shortcuts, tips and methods anyone can use to optimize and squeeze out all the excess for the fastest possible page speeds of your WordPress website. These tips and shortcuts can be yours instantly. Enroll today.